My name is Juan, and I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan. I do a little bit of detailing. I work for a car dealership, so I do a lot of detailing. There's a lot of opportunities in it. Not one to get raises, and two to make a little bit more money. It was online. We actually had we sent an employee before me, and so he got really good at it, and so they thought it would be good to send me out here. The classes so far have been great. I love them. I've been here for about 2 weeks now, so in the 2 weeks they've literally crammed a lot. So starting off, we worked on a hood that they got. It was a couple of days, but we once you got good at getting those dents out, they switched you to real vehicles. Right now, I was just doing glue pulling on a Dodge Charger right here. So I am in a 2-year contract with my employer, but after that, hopefully I can work for myself and doing detailing on the side, and then plus having PDR added to that list. It looking great for my future. Appreciate everything D Kane has done for me. So.